आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
इस क्वेश्चन में हमें रेजोनेंस एनर्जी ऑफ गैसियस बेंजीन निकालना है और हमें गिवन है हीट ऑफ सब्लिमेशन ऑफ ग्रेफाइट इज गिवन एंड डिसोसिएशन ऑफ H2 इज गिवन और हीट ऑफ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ बेंजीन इज आल्सो गिवन टू अस और हमें डिफरेंट बॉन्ड एनर्जीज मालूम है। तो अगर हम इन तीनों गिवन डेटा को रिएक्शन इन टर्म्स ऑफ इक्वेशन लिखे, तो अगर हम हीट ऑफ सब्लिमेशन ऑफ ग्रेफाइट लिखते हैं तो इट वुड बी 6C ऑफ ग्रेफाइट will give 6C of gaseous and delta H naught for this would be 6 into 7.1.4 kilojoule mole inverse. So this will boil down to 4310.4 kilojoule mole inverse. If we write the next equation, that is the dissociation of H2 gas, it will give 3H2 gas will give you 6H of gas, and delta H for this would be 3 into 435.9, that is 1307.7 kilojoule mole inverse. Now if we write the last part of the equation, that is given the heat of formation of benzene, the equation for the heat of formation of benzene would be the standard form of carbon, that is graphite plus 3H2 gas will give you C6H6 gas. So this is the heat. So this is the equation for finding the heat of formation of benzene, and this is in its standard state. So heat of formation of H2 would be 0 and graphite would be also 0. So if we write the equation of this, enthalpy of this equation, it would be equal to heat of formation of C6H6, and that would be equal to sum of bond energies on the reactant side, that is 0, minus sum of bond energies on the product side. And the product side, if we see, benzene structure is like this. So it constitutes of 3 times bond energy of C double bond C plus 3 times bond energy of C single bond C plus 6 times bond energy of CH. So if we put the corresponding data of CH, CC, CC from here to in this equation, you will finally get the heat of formation of benzene as minus 5.3 kilojoule mole inverse. And if we add this 3 equation, we'll get 6C of graphite plus 3H2 of gas will give you C6H6 gas, and 3H2 will give you C6H6 gas. And if we find the net enthalpy change of this, and that would be indeed equal to that heat of formation of C6H6 only. So this equation, the heat of enthalpy of this equation would be the sum of all three, because we have done the addition for all three. So adding this and this will give us plus 352.8 kilojoule mole inverse. Okay, so this is the so we have found the heat of formation of C6H6 benzene to be 352.8, but if we see the given, according to question, the heat of formation of benzene is 82.9, and we have found that the heat of formation of benzene is 352.8. So, but given according to question, heat of formation of C6H6 is given, that is 82.9 kilojoule mole inverse, but here we have found that the heat of formation of benzene is 352.8. so definitely this particular benzene has got stabilized by, so benzene got stabilized, and that stabilization is because of resonance only, and that the difference and the resonance energy would be the difference between these two terms, that is 352.8, that is we have found, minus theoretical value, that is 82.9. When you calculate this, you will get, and when you calculate this, you will get 269.9 kilojoule mole inverse. So the benzene got stabilized because of resonance, and the difference between these two enthalpy would give you the actual resonance energy of benzene. So if we write with the sign, resonance energy of benzene equals to minus of 269.9 kilojoule mole inverse, because heat is released due to resonance of benzene. So that is why we have considered a negative sign over there. So this is the final solution of this particular question, in which हमें resonance energy of benzene निकालनी थी, that is we have found as minus 269.9 kilojoule mole inverse.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।